How do you generate leads everywhere you go? Well, first of all, you have to be prepared. So if you're out and about and you don't have business cards on you, you're not prepared. If you're online and you don't have a website or a Facebook page that brands you as a business owner and brands your business, you're unprepared. If you don't have a YouTube channel branding you and your business, you're unprepared. The way you attract leads everywhere you go is you've got to be a 24/7 walking billboard for your business. Now that doesn't mean you hassle everybody with your business and chase them down the street, but it simply means you need to be quick with an answer as to what you do and how you can solve people's problems. When somebody asks, what is it that you do, you need to know what the answer to that is. You need to have resources in place to make it happen for you. You know, one of the things that you'll find is if you'll put value into the marketplace, people want to know more about what you do. So just always, as the Bible says, be prepared to give an answer in season and out of season. Now that was talking about your faith, but the same is true for your business. Be ready to give that answer at any time. What is it that you do? How can you help me? How can you be a benefit to me? Be ready to do that online and offline at all times. Now, I've given you some pointers on my blog about how to be prospecting everywhere you go. I've put a link to that blog post below this video, and I've also put a link to my 7-day video series, How to Build Your Business Online. And so I want you to take advantage of that. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you again soon.